to meet you. I'm Hyunyi Hwang from the Beautiful Store, South Korea. I'm working as a manager of the sharing program team of the Beautiful Store. So Beautiful Store is basically a social enterprise, also a non-profit organization. It means many of our social businesses make money, and we spend all the profit for public beneficial projects, including support people in need around us. The Beautiful Store found out that in Korea, for example, many people just buy many things, but many of them also be thrown away. But at the same time, there is also poverty problems. So many poor people cannot buy what they need. So through the Beautiful Store's activities, people can help others by donate the items which they don't use anymore. And at the same time, because the items used again, it's actually maximized use. So it can also very good for environmentally. And at the same time, the poor people can buy items from the Beautiful Store shop with a very good price, cheap price. So I think the Beautiful Store's activities support different people with different means. So like support environmentally, socially, and also because we make money and we spend the money for our programs, so it also support the social welfare programs. So as you asked, we found there's environmental problems, but at the same time, there's many people in need which don't get enough support from government system, or they have less capacity to get what they need.
The social impact that Beautiful Store create?
Yes. Actually, the Beautiful Store, we think the Beautiful Store is the first social enterprise, but actually I think we are the first registered social enterprise, because I believe there must be other social enterprises before, but because there was social enterprise law in 2008, so we are legally registered at the time. But it's also true the Beautiful Store have done our social businesses since 2002, so which is quite a long time. So Beautiful Store set up a different new businesses like charity shop business and fair trade business and upcycle businesses. And through our businesses, we reach different social impact. Like we contribute to the CO2 reduction, massive CO2 reduction, and also we support social welfare programs and public beneficial programs, so which it helps our communities, our society. And also through the Beautiful Store shop, there are about more than 7,000 volunteers. And so before the Beautiful Store, even when some people want to do some volunteering, they find it hard to find a good place to volunteer. But through the Beautiful Store, they just can spend 4 hours a week, and they can meet many people. And by donating their hours and their time with us, they can support the community. So we support the volunteering culture and also donation culture. Because when you think when you want to donate things, people just think it's a bit hard, and they feel, oh, I don't have enough money to donate. But with the Beautiful Store, just you can give the items you don't use anymore. It's just easy. So after the Beautiful Store, people find it just easy to support others. So I think it's a kind of start of a change in culture. And also Beautiful Store have done different campaigning things and flea market things. So nowadays, so many people doing the flea market at the weekend, and then they donate items. Also, they donate their small money from the flea market. So I think we bring different effect and impact to the society. I think Beautiful Store has pioneered so many new areas in Korean society. So I think the next step would be we should find another new areas to challenge, I think. And at the same time, we need to make sure we are efficient and effective enough to compete with corporate sector, for example. So I think that would be another challenge for us. Okay. For example, the last year's beautiful source revenue was about $20 million, and then profit from the revenue, which is about more than $4 million. And my team plan and manage and monitoring the sharing programs with the fund raised from our shops, for example. My major was economics. So when I graduated school, I didn't know I work here at the beauty store. So when I graduated, I just started working in somewhere related. So I started working at Finance Institute, but I don't think I really enjoyed work there. It was nice place though, but I felt I want to challenge and I want to try new things. So after working there, I visited the UK. So I spent like 6 months, and then I made up my mind to be a reporter, kind of journalist. So when I came back to Korea, I working as a program director at the broadcasting company. So it's a very, very busy life, and I enjoyed quite a lot. But at the same time, I thought I need to think about more sustainable way of life. And then suddenly I had a Saturday off. So I thought, okay, then I have some free time, so I can do some job nice. So I found volunteering activities at the beauty store. But when I started working there, I really liked it, the beauty store concept, and I liked the people there, and also I learned about fair trade. So, and I thought it will work. I really believe the beauty store model and fair trade model. So that's the reason I quit the job and started working for the beauty store. And I've been very happy with working for the beauty store. I think because I know my job and work is good for others. Because I think if I work in commercial sector, still I would make an effort to make a good job. But sometimes there is limitation if you're working in commercial sector. Sometimes you are not sure. But in non-profit sector or in social enterprises, in most cases, you are more certain to contribute to the society. I think there is a real good engine to work here. Actually, there are some interns in my team and young staffs where I tell them is to be realistic, and you need to have good experiences. You need to have a responsibility, I think. So, which means I think every experience you have really helps your job. It means you need to experience more and more. So I recommend them to experience more and never be frightened and just to try new things. But at the same time, I recommend them to be an expert. So sometimes it's not enough to work hard. You need to be a real expert. Then you can bring real impact to others.